I am Assistant Professor Jasprit Kaur from GN Girls College, Patiala. After implementing National Education Policy NEP 2020 in higher education, student faces so many challenges after completing plus 2 exams, how to choose subject combination. So, I will tell you how to choose subject combination after completing your plus 2 exam according to Punjabi University norms. The main focus of NEP is the multidisciplinary approach, flexible curriculum, skill enhancement courses, and multiple exit options. Like you have get after completing 1 year, you have get certificate, and after completing 2 years, you get a diploma, and after completing 3 years, you get degree, and after completing fourth year, you get honors degree. So there is no difference between BCom Journal and BCom Honors. Both are equal. The students who will pursue in the fourth year and complete it, they can get the honors degree. So the next main focus is it promotes regional language. So Punjabi University Patiala implemented Punjabi as a compulsory subject in all the undergraduate courses throughout the 8 semesters, like in BA, BSc, BCom, etc. So first of all, I will tell you about the BA, that is the Bachelor of Arts. So there are two disciplines. You have to opt one discipline from these two. First is a single major subject, and second is the multidisciplinary approach. In single major subject, like you opt one subject as a single major, like you have opt English as a single major subject, then you have to study 3 subjects as a major English and one minor from the other than English. And in multidisciplinary approach, you have come across with the 4 groups, and you have to select subject from these 4 groups. First is the social sciences. Under it comes history, economics, geography, political science, psychology, sociology, anthropology, public administration, social work, etc. And the second group is the folk art. Under it comes music, dance, drama, fine arts, drawing. Third one is the language. Language is Punjabi literature, Hindi literature, English literature, Persian, Urdu, Sanskrit. And fourth one is the CSM, computer, stats, and mathematics. You can opt one or two subject from the social sciences group and the other from the other groups. As a major subject, the students who opted 2 subject as a major from the social sciences, they have to select one subject from the other 3 groups and one minor subject from the other groups. So these 4 subjects are consist of 100 marks. Punjabi compulsory is the 5th paper, that also consists of 100 marks, and other papers are AEC, Ability Enhancement Course. Under it comes English. It consists of 50 marks, and IDC or MDC. IDC means interdisciplinary course. MDC, multidisciplinary course. So under it comes Women and Society, Punjab de Mele te Tihar. You can opt one subject from the list of 10 or 12 subjects. And the next one is SCC, Skill Enhancement Course. Under it comes Personality and Development, Computer Applications, and you have to opt one subject from the list of subjects. Last one is the VAC. VAC is the Value Added Course, that is the qualifying paper. In first semester, it is the Environmental Studies. So you have to study 9 subjects in BA. Next, I go to BCom. In BCom, you have to study 8 subjects, 2 major subjects. One is the Financial Accounting 1, second is the Business Law 1. These are consist of 100 marks, and one minor subject, Microeconomics, and it consists of also 100 marks. Next are AEC, under it comes English, and SCC, that is the Computer Applications, VAC, that is the same Environmental Studies, and IDC is the Business Organization. All these papers are consist of 50 marks. And next one is the BSc. So there are 2 disciplines under it. One is the single major subject, and second is the multidisciplinary approach under BSc. So the students who opted as chemistry as a single major subject, they have to study 2 major subjects from the chemistry and one minor subject other than chemistry, like physics, biology, or mathematics. And so you have to study 9 subjects in BSc, 2 major subjects, one minor subject, Punjabi compulsory, AEC English, SCC, and IDC, internship, and VAC. You have a list of subjects under IDC or MDC and SCC. You have to select one subject from these. The major subjects are consist of 100 marks, and the minor AEC, SCC, IDC, MDC, and VAC are consist of 50 marks. So you have to understand these pattern, then you can easily select the subject combination. I hope this video will provide you a best to choose subject combination in your future. Thank you so much.